Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you all are staying fine. Today's our offline class is about various classes and divisions of subphylum Vertebrata. Subphylum Vertebrata is also called Craniata or Euchordata. Vertebrata, it is having two divisions, Agnatha and Gnathostomata. Agnatha, they lack jaws, whereas Gnathostomata, they bear jaws. Agnatha are called jawless or without jaws, whereas Gnathostomata are called they are with jaws. Agnatha division is further classified into two classes, ostracodermy and cyclostomata. Examples of ostracodermy are Cephalaspis, Pteraspis. Both are extinct. Examples of class Cyclostomata include Petromyzon or lamprey, magazine or hagfish. Whereas Gnathostomata has two superclasses, Pisces, which bear fins, and Tetrapoda, which bear limbs, typically four limbs. Pisces is further classified into four classes. Number 1, Placodermy. Number 2, Chondrichthyes. Number 3, Ostrichthyes. Examples of Placodermy include Calaimatius, extinct one. Example of Chondrichthyes include Cyclodion pristis. Example of Ostrichthyes include Libio hippocampus. Now the classes of Tetrapoda. Tetrapoda has four classes: Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, Mammalia. Amphibia example Bifo, Rana. Reptilia example tortoise, lizards, snakes, crocodiles. Aves example birds. Mammalia examples, for example mammals. Now the Agnatha, characteristics of division Agnatha. Agnatha are called the jawless vertebrates. This is the most primitive of all craniates or vertebrates. Mouth is without jaws, hence named Agnatha. Notochord is present throughout life. Paired appendages are not present and are without exoskeleton. There are 8 to 10 pairs of cranial nerves. Only a single median nostril is present. Agnatha has two classes. Class first, ostracodermy, which is extinct. Ostracodermy were the earliest known vertebrates appeared in Ordovician period. They had well-developed dermal scales, which led to their names ostracoderms, which means bony skin. They were also called armored fishes. All are extinct. Examples Cephalaspis, Pteraspis, etc. Now second class of Agnatha, Cyclostomata. Cyclos in Greek means circular and stom in Greek means mouth. So cyclostomata are the circular mouthed fishes. They occur in the seas and large rivers. If marine, they migrate for spawning to fresh water. After spawning, within a few days they die. Larvae after metamorphosis return to the ocean. Mouth is circular and jawless. They are jawless fishes, not true fishes. They possess 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits. Head and brain are poorly developed. Endoskeleton is cartilaginous. Heart is two chambered with one auricle and one ventricle. They possess 8 or 10 pairs of cranial nerves. Lateral line sense organs are present. Stomach absent. Kidneys are mesonephric. Fertilization is external. Example is petromyzon or lamprey, magazine or hagfish. Second division of subphylum vertebrata is the Gnathostomata or the jawed vertebrates with jaws. It is having two classes, Pisces which bear fins and Tetrapoda which bear limbs. Now the Pisces. Pisces, it includes true fishes. All the members of Pisces are aquatic. Respiration occurs typically by gills. Paired and unpaired fins are present. Heart is two chambered, S-shaped venous type with sinus venous and conus arteriosus. Arteriosus. Eyes have well developed nictitating membrane. Eyelids are absent. Lateral line sense organs are present. Monocondylic sickle. Slimy glands are present on skin. Monocondylic means they contain single occipital condyle. Kidneys are mesonephric, ammonotelic. That means ammonia is the chief waste product. However, sharks are ureotelic. That means the waste product of sharks is urea. Vertebrae are amphicolous type. Amphicolous type means they are biconcave in shape. Both renal portal and hepatic portal systems are found. Hypophyseal portal system is present. Pisces have further classification of placodermy, chondrichthyes, and osteichthyes. Now the placodermy. Body had an external protective armor of bony scales or plates. For example, Climatius. This class is extinct. Now second class, chondrichthyes. Chondros in Greek means cartilage and ichthys means fish. That means chondrichthyes are the cartilaginous fishes. Chondrichthyes includes about 600 species. Chondrichthyes are marine animals with streamlined body. Notochord is persistent throughout life. Endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. These have powerful jaws. Mouth is ventrally located. Teeth are modified placoid scales which are backwardly directed. Kidneys are mesonephric. Urea is the chief nitrogenous waste. They have tough skin with minute placoid scales. Chondrichthyes possess two-chambered heart with one auricle and one ventricle. Chondrichthyes are cold-blooded or poikilothermous or ectothermic, that is, They lack the capacity to regulate their body temperature. They possess 10 pairs of cranial nerves. They are predaceous. Some of them have electric organs. For example, torpedo with a current voltage of 8 volts to 220 volts, and some possess poison sting, for example, trigon. Sexes are separate and show sexual dimorphism. Fertilization is internal. Many of them are viviparous. Examples: Cyclodian or dogfish, torpedo, trigon or stingfish, carcharodon or great white shark. Its size is about 6 meters, weight is about 2268 kilograms, or somewhere it is written 1905 kilograms. Maturity of male is after 26 years, somewhere it is shown as 15 years, and female matures after 33 years. Lifespan is 70 years. This was about the second class of Pisces. Now we have the third class, Ostichthes. Ostion in Greek means bone, ichthyes means fish. That means Ostichthes means the bony fish. The bony fishes. This class includes about 25,000 species. Ostichthes includes both marine and freshwater fishes with streamlined body. Streamlined body or the boat-shaped body. Endoskeleton is cartilaginous in the embryonic stage, but in the adult forms is made up of bones. Skin is covered with cycloid, ctenoid or tenoid, or gonoid scales. Ostichthes possess a sac-like outgrowth. The swim bladder, also called air bladder, used to maintain balance and to swim up and down. In some fishes, heteronestis, it helps in respiration. In some fishes, heteronestis is present which helps in respiration. Notochord is persistent throughout life. Mouth is located terminally. Teeth are present in the jaws. Heart is two-chambered with one auricle and one ventricle. However, lungfishes have three-chambered heart with two auricles and one ventricle. They possess four pairs of gills covered by operculum on each side. Kidneys are mesonephric. Ammonia is the chief waste product. They possess 10 pairs of cranial nerves. Fertilization is generally external. Most forms are oviparous, some are ovoviviparous. Development is direct except in Angula, where it is indirect with Leptocephalus larva. Examples are Exocoitus, which is also called a flying fish. Actually, it does not fly but often leaps into air about 6 meters high. Pectoral fins are modified into wing-like structures in Exocoitus, that is a flying fish. Hippocampus example, seahorse, which is marine. Solia is flatfish, again marine. Freshwater includes libio, lungfishes, catala, angula, anabas. And aquarium fish are beta, that is called a fighting fish, petrophyllum, that is angelfish. Largest fish The whale shark, which measures up to 80 meters and its weight is 40 tons. Smallest fish, that is pygmy goby, length is about 11 millimeters and weight is about 4 to 5 milligrams. Fastest fish, that is sailfish, with the speed of 109 kilometers per hour. Most poisonous fish, that is stonefish. Most beautiful fish in sea, that is zebrafish. Most advanced fish, that are the lungfishes. Most powerful electric fish, that is torpedo. So this was about the various classes of Pisces: Placodermi, Chondrichthyes, and Osteichthyes. Thanks.